Hello everyone, Namaskar. Art Beauty Planet has come out with the free beauty parlor course with guaranteed job placement, loan facility to start a beauty parlor, spa center, therapy center, and will provide you the student and full support will be given through our organization. Learn full beauty parlor course absolutely free, basic to advanced skin and hair treatments, machine knowledge, cosmetology, hairdressing, style, coloring, straightening, keratin treatment, and latest products knowledge. Let me introduce to myself. You can call me Bhagwati Tai. I am Doctor of Alternative Medicines, Beauty and Healing Therapist and Trainer. Conduct educational, beauty and spiritual seminars and workshops and product promotions all over India and introduce the latest products to the beauticians. I teach all the beauty equipments and latest techniques. I am a technical and technology trainer, aroma chromo, acupressure therapist, Reiki grandmaster, Moniki healer, pranic karmic DNA healer, angel therapist. I started my career with Ayurvedic products which I used to prepare and was selling like hotcake. Then represented, promoted and launched many programs and products of small scale multinational international brands like Raghav Industries, Biotech from France, Peeling Therapy, Javier, Connaught, Nail Arts, USA 7 Days Therapy, Skin Enhancement, Johnson Johnson, Marico Industries, Claron Cosmetics, and many more. Later, I started education seminars all over India. My seminars were always full house seminars. Thank you. My full house seminar at Hyderabad. You can see the crowd in the pics. My naturopathy and massage workshop at Mira Road. My second seminar at Hyderabad. My seminar at Hyderabad, the same second seminar pics. This is my seminar at Nasik with the Taiwan beautician who came to teach the latest facial techniques at Nasik at my seminar. This is my first seminar in 2001 which I conducted at Rotary Club Santa Cruz. This is my third seminar at Hyderabad. This is my first seminar crowd at Hyderabad. This was my first seminar with workshop at Mira Road East. Then I did the seminar with Shiv Kumar, the makeup artist and actor from the film line at Nasik. Belavi facelift massage technique introduced in Mumbai in one of my seminars. We give chance to our students also to share stage with us. Now one of my student here is showing perming technique and teaching step by step to all. This is full beauty course, a certified course. You can do it through my YouTube channel, and apart from that you can do the courses individually also. You will have to appear for the exam. For inquiry, see the description and contact us. You can learn all the therapies individually or along with the beauty course: aromatherapy, chromotherapy, acupressure therapy, massage therapy, mud and hydrotherapy, reflexotherapy, magneto and herbal therapy. Apart from this, all types of machine treatments like galvanic, high frequency, skin analyzer, facelifting, dermabrasion, skin polishing, wart removing, hydrofacial therapy, air pressure massager, and many more. Now comes is the makeup, in which you will learn regular makeup, party makeup, normal bridal makeup, waterproof bridal makeup, different types of state and religion based makeup, airbrush makeup, special on eye makeup, and many more techniques available for makeup you will learn. Full professional spa course will be also taught through YouTube channel. Personal guidance will be given. Those who want to open their own spa, we will individually guide you and support you how to start, how to do the setup, and what all things are required to start a spa center. Learn full beauty course absolutely free. To start course, like and subscribe my channel. Join my WhatsApp group, Insta page, Facebook group, and all the links are given in the description. It's fully certified course. You can do the course individually, or you can go for the full course, basic and advanced. You need not have to pay anything for the course. Exams will be online. All the descriptions are given. So don't think a lot. See you all then in my next video. This is absolutely free certified course, guaranteed job placement and loan facility if you want to start your own beauty parlor, spa center or therapy center. Full support will be given through our organization. See you all. Thank you. Stay blessed.